Impulses too, though, right? Guys, impulses? I'd say impulses are okay. Oh, wait, and revolvers, right? Revolver's a pistol. Yeah, hand cannons too. Lol. I'm still shaking a little bit. You know, I used to lose those kind of fights. Like, a lot. Dude, what kind of frustrated me during that fight is that shotgun I hit with the pump was a crit that did 20 damage. On the head. Oh, 20 on a head shot. Oh, I saw that. I think I saw that. On Instagram, I saw it. 95 damage. I thought it was 95. I saw it on Instagram. Oh crap, there's guys over here. I'm leaving. Dude, I can't believe that just happened. What, Marilyn? I know. That one was shotguns only, though. I got a scar, guys. I got a scar. I got a scar again. No. What? No, Connor. I need to get a deagle. I should play with Ninja, bro. Do you carry it? I've got revolver. I'm coming. Oh shit. This is it, boys. No. No. Dude, I'm trying, Meryl. This is gonna be bad, dude. I'm coming in, boys. This actually sounds so cool, though. It actually sounds so cool. Knocked one. Wrecked kid. Guys, I think I'm on X Games mode. I think I'm on X Games mode again, guys. You know. Oh, imagine. Dude, I could do this. Minigun is not a pistol. Nice. $75. How am I supposed to do this? Ready, Meryl? Kobe. I hit one with a revolver twice, but I don't... Like, it showed me the hit marker. Quinn, you're a bush still? I've got a crap ton of medium ammo. Pistols sound so cool if you're further away. Dude, honestly, I think I can still do building fights with this because I can just peek over and revolver everybody. And people leave pistols everywhere. People leave pistols everywhere. That's the thing. Some people don't know the chest spawns. Can someone hold this medkit? Someone hold this medkit, guys? Medkit, guys? Someone hold it? A medkit. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a revolver there. Nice. Double revolver. Oh, green pistol in there. Someone take it. Sorry. Yo, boogie bomb. If someone can carry it, that'd be useful. It does. Totally does. I don't think we're using explosives, just impulse and boogies. Wrecked kid. Same. How does this happen every time we do something stupid? We're always getting into like easy top 10s. And then it's top 5 before we know it, and then we usually die or win. You wanna go on the hill? Yo, there's a chest up there. That's a deagle. That's a purple deagle in there. I have a big shield if you can carry it. There's a purple deagle in here, I know it. Oh, I was close, dude. Oh, impulses. Impulses. I don't even want to use them at this point. Impulses. Oh, there's guys over there. Northeast, bro. Oh, I hit one. I hit one. For 57, bro. I hit him again. I hit that same guy again. Bro, that's insane. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Bro. I hit him twice, guys. I hit him twice. Oh, there's guys coming down from the hill. 345. Oh! I just 150'd him! I 150'd him! Oh my gosh. I'm a god. He's one shot. Well, maybe not with pistols. 3 shot, 4 shot maybe. 4 shot? He's behind this building, I think. Is he in? Oh, shiz. He got me, and himself. He's in this garage. Guys, he's in the garage. Oh, wrong placement. In the garage. Got him. That was mine, bro. Can I place a spike? Okay. That was so funny. No, I need shield. Oh, wait, never mind. You probably do too. I need smalls. Oh, shiz. Okay, never mind. I need small. Oh, there's a big. I need to heal, though. I need to heal. Wait a sec. I need to heal. Wait for me to heal. 2 more. Okay, I'm going. I'm good. See what I can do. We're dead, dude. We lost this. Nice, Connor. Beautiful. No time. I hit one. Knocked one. It's one guy. See if they're rezzing. No way.